Hey guys, so strawberry makeup is really in these days. To me, it seems like it's more like a light, glowy look that's not heavy makeup. So let's try it together. I'm using the Chanel foundation, just the usual way you've seen me do this like a million times. Concealer. I'm gonna do just like very little contouring. Lashes. To create the strawberry look, I'm using this cream eyeshadow to line my lips. And then the same colors over here. For that perfect sun-kissed strawberry look, I'm using these two Rare Beauty blushes in Grateful and Happy. I think the key is to like tap on your fingers and then go like this, a little on your nose, and then like this. What's left on my fingers, I'm gonna use it on my lips. Mix a little bit of Happy for a little bit of pink in between. Importantly, for the faux freckles, I'm using this matte eyeshadows that I got from Amazon. The pencil wasn't showing up on my skin, so I'm gonna try to do this with, oh, I like it. Wow, I love it. Smudge a little. Okay, what do you think? Do I look like a delicious strawberry?